Tunashukuru sana.
Kaunti ya Garissa ni imwe ya kaunti inya iria thirikari iratwarithia uheani wa njanjo ya kurigiriria murimu wa cholera kurumirira mututhuko wa murimu uyu uria ukoretwo kuo. Kungethanira na murimu uyu ari kimwe gia gitumi kiria gitwarite maabitha a ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi WHO guku niguo kuona uria mihango ino iratwarithio.
WHO has been in the forefront to supporting the response to that outbreak. So WHO has been on the ground from the very first days of that outbreak, working under the leadership of the county officials.
Ripoti kuma ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ikiuga uheani wa njanjo ici cia cholera ni uthiete na mbere wega ukinyeria riu ukirugamira gicunje kia 98 hari igana.
In Garissa County we have had covered over 930,000 people who have been actually vaccinated, and that translates to nearly 98%.
Maabitha aya WHO ni moete mweke kuririkania aikari ya Garissa ati kuheo njanjo ya kumarigiriria cholera no ikinya inini na ati kiria gia bata ni gwikirira utheru uria wagiriire.
The major issue is water and sanitation. Once we address the issue of water and sanitation, cholera will disappear. We have done oral cholera vaccination, but that is not a magic bullet, I would say. Other measures really need to be taken care of: personal hygiene, clean water, proper handling of food.
Ng'aragu na uhaguku wa ugitiri na mamwe ma mathina maria mahingite uheani wa njanjo ici cia kurigiriria cholera, na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni rucoketie ngatho kuri honge cia ugitiri iria inyitete itemi ria bata gukinyaniria undu uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.